So if you want to know how I created this look, keep watching the video. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe and taking all the necessary precautions to fight with the current situation. I know it's a tough time, but I'm sure together we can fight this, and I think now is the time that you should be taking care of your skin that deserves the most attention now that we have all the time in the world. So no more excuses. Well guys, as you've already understood from the title of the video, I'm going to be making a full face tutorial using Clinique products. Well, a little something about Clinique. Clinique is a brand, as we all know, it's widely known and it is one of the most famous brands in US, and as the name suggests, it is actually known for its clinical approach towards beauty. Also, it is one of the pioneers for coming up with customized products and launching products that are fragrance free. And I will definitely recommend you guys to try these products out. So without further ado, let's just dive into the video. Okay guys, so I've already prepped my skin, I've already scrubbed it and used the Clinique serum. Well, this is the scrub that I used. It is the 7-day scrub cream and rinse formula. The next one that I used was this Clinique Smart Serum. So I've already used them and I've already prepped my skin. These are all miniature products that I have. It's easy to carry, travel friendly, so I always make sure that I have these kind of miniatures in my bag. Now let's begin with the makeup. Okay, so this is another absolutely beautiful product by Clinique. It's the Clinique Age Defense BB Cream with SPF 30. Now, as I've already mentioned in my earlier videos, I don't usually use foundation on an everyday basis. I end up just using a sunscreen that has a little bit of matte finish, like I think the Lotus Herbals SPF 40 sunscreen. It has a matte finish, so it kind of gives you a very good coverage. So BB creams are like the best that you can opt for when you don't feel like using a lot of products on your face. It is just one product and you're good to go. Also, I would like to say that this here is better than most of the BB creams that is available in the market. I don't want to name the brands. In fact, this is also better than most of the foundations that I know of certain brands. This is just an amazing product. It gives you a very nice coverage. Also, if you look at the consistency, I'll try showing it to you guys. The consistency is quite thick. Just like as you can see, the consistency is really amazing. Well, this is in the shade 03. Now, as you can see, that is the BB cream that we're talking about right now, and it is absolutely beautiful. It blends nicely. Well, I think that the shade is a little off on my skin, but that's another beautiful thing about it, that the more you blend it, the more it evenly fits your skin. So yeah, I'm going to be using just the BB cream to do the makeup today, and let's see how it looks. So I'm not using any sort of color correctors for my under eyes or any foundation for that matter. So it is just going to be the BB cream. I think if there are any acne marks that are not kind of getting covered, just ignore, because I'm just trying my best. Get the neck area, and I think it's common with a lot of people that we often forget to cover the neck area, which is the face that we end up putting makeup on. I think that's enough. So I don't have the fixing powder right now, so I'm just going to leave it as it is because I feel like anyway, since I'm not going outside, there's nowhere to go, and I think this pretty much is fine. It looks just fine, so I'm not going to be using any fixing powder because I don't think there's any need. Also, I don't have one from the same brand. So, okay, next up, this beautiful product by Clinique. It's called Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm. See this. Okay, this is in the shade 04 Mega Melon. And it looks like this. Beautiful shade. This is like a lip balm with a little bit of lip tint in it, and looks amazing. I love the shade. Again, all the products are fragrance free. So this is just to prep my lips before I actually apply lipstick. See, this is just enough. So when you don't feel like applying lipstick, you can just apply this lip balm and you're good to go, because it has a lip tint which gives you a very nice look, and it's just absolutely great for like everyday use. Okay, so I will begin with the eyeshadow. So I'm using the eyeshadow duo palette. Now this is for the outer corner, and this is for the major part of your eyelid, and so this is a plastic sheet that it comes with, like a plastic cover mentioning the number of the shade, and it's like a hygiene cover which is really nice. On top of which you place the brush. So I'll just apply this beautiful brown shade here. Just apply it in circular motion. Now this is in the shade 14 Strawberry Fudge. I don't know if you can see the name, but I will make sure that I give the details of the products in the description below. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to be using is this. Now this is in the shade 24. It's called Angel Eyes. Okay. Now this is something with shimmer. So we can just apply it here. Just sort of blend it. Also, since it has shimmer in it, you can use it as a highlighter. It looks pink, but when you take a very little quantity, it will be just like any other highlighter that you use. So you can just use a little bit. Around your brows. Again, I'm not using any product on my brows, I'm just keeping it very natural. I also had another eyeshadow by Clinique, but it is totally broken from the inside, and it's a very nice lavender shimmer shade, and it breaks my heart to kind of show the situation that it is in. But okay, and for the lashes, since I don't have mascara from this range, I'm just going to be curling my lashes. Next up, for the eyes, and I'm going to be using Clinique Quickliner. So this comes with the stick and the brush that helps in smudging the eyeliner to give it a nice smoky effect, and I absolutely love that. So once you've lined your eyes, you can just use the other end of the brush, the smudger, to just sort of smudge it out a bit and not make it look like sharp lines. But remember, you don't overdo it, that it starts fading away, because you still want it to be there. That's it, I think this is out. Let's use a lip liner. Now I have these two shades. This and the other one. And this one is in shade 36, Soft Rose. Soft Rose. And this one is 03 Chocolate Chip. Okay, now I'm not going to be using the chocolate chip one, but I will still go ahead and show you how it looks. So just watch it here. It's a nice chocolate shade, very beautiful. And this one is soft pink. This here is soft pink. I'm going to be using this. It's called Soft Rose, sorry. Okay, so now for the lipsticks, I have quite a few shades here, but my most favorite one is Totally Broken, and I was thinking of doing pink lips, but I can't really show you the condition of it. But if you really want to see, it is Totally Broken, but I've still saved it. I will let you know the shade because I think I've broken it entirely. It looks something like this. It is a beautiful, beautiful shade, and that's why I have preserved it still, because there's a lot of product inside. But I'll show you the swatches for the other shades that I have. You can help me decide like which one should I be wearing. Okay, so this one is called this print packaging. This is called GA Twilight Nude. There you go. This, and it looks like this. It's nice brownish shade, but it has shimmer in it, which is why I kind of don't apply it directly to my lips. So I'll just show you the swatch. It's a very pretty nude shade. Next up is this. I think, look at the cute packaging. It is so beautiful. It is sturdy and very classy. Okay, this is in the shade 54 Pink Spice. Although it's pink, it still looks like the one I showed you previously, and I will just swatch it for you guys so that you actually see the difference. Now this again is pinkish, but again this has shimmer in it, although it's not visible there. The next shade that I have is shade 79 Bamboo Pink. This here again, I think it's very difficult to make out by the look of it. It's only when you swatch it you can see that there's difference. Otherwise they all tend to look similar. It is definitely lighter, but I think As of now I like this shade, but all these shades that I showed you right now, they're all very glossy, and I don't want to just directly apply it because I kind of am looking for another different look. So I'm going to be using the pink one, the broken pink that I showed, and I'm going to be using this on top of it to add a little shimmer if required. So I'm going to be using the broken lipstick with the help of a lipstick brush. This, you just dip it in. Okay, take a very small amount and just glide it on your lips. Oh, I love this shade. Look at it, it's so beautiful. Such a beautiful pink shade. I absolutely love it. I'm just dabbing a little bit of pink spice onto it to just get a little bit of glitter. Just apply to it. Okay guys, we are done. I totally forgot my most favorite product. It is the cream blush, the Chubby Stick, Clinique Chubby Stick cream blush. I absolutely love it, and I've been using this for a long time now, so much so that everything written on it is gone, totally gone. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at it. Chubby Stick. A very little goes a long way, and you can just use it with the help of your fingers. We'll just dab a little on your cheeks like this. That's it. That's it. On the apple of your cheeks. Smudge it. The best part about cream blushes are that it looks very natural and it doesn't look very cakey, so I absolutely love it. And yes, that's the look. I'll be back in a minute. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Do share your thoughts in the comments below, and also mention your favorites from the brand. And until next time, bye.